The BOSCH MRP23EVS router is equipped with a robust 15 ampere motor, offering a remarkable range of 10,000 to 25,000 revolutions per minute and delivering up to 2.3 horsepower. This router is designed with a trigger control system that places the power switch conveniently on the handle, enhancing user control and ease of use. Bosch's innovative Afterlock microfine bit depth adjustment allows for precise and effortless adjustments at any plunge setting, complemented by a variable speed dial for material-specific speed matching. The router ensures accuracy with its smooth plunge action, spring-lock plunge lever, and depth rod, while the constant response circuitry maintains a steady speed throughout the cutting process. For added convenience, the MRP23EVS includes an always-on LED light that improves visibility in the bit area and features a cord swivel for greater mobility. The router's classic hardwood handles not only provide comfort, but also add an element of elegance to its design, making it a standout choice for both professional and hobbyist woodworkers.